Yeah, start.
Okay, let's start the group discussion. And the topic is, are MNCs superior than Indian companies? Shoot out your
Yes.
thoughts.
Yes, I totally agree with the
I
topic
think
that MNCs are so good in comparison to Indian companies, because MNCs the salary and the working experiences are so good, and they work on the new technologies. And yes, agree.
I also think that MNCs are superior in many aspects, like job structure is also good, environment of MNCs is also good, and matlab, and provide much more opportunities to the youth.
Yeah, I agree to both of your points. If a person is working in a MNC, obviously he or she'll get good treatment. You can say a good opportunity, a nice salary, even. But there is there is something where intelligent people lag. In MNCs, we have to do some work which is bounded. We can't take decision. If we are having some more good, some good ideas and all ideas, we can't implement it our own. Means we have to just do that work which we are asked. We can't do anything additional. Like in Indian companies, what happens, like if you are having some good ideas and you are having some new inventions or whatever, so you can discuss it with your seniors, and if it's too good, then these companies, like our Indian companies, intake them and do gradually promote to the employee and give promotion to the employee. but
I agree
but
with
in
Parth.
but in MNC, what it happens, like, yeah, it's very good. Like we get security also, we get good salary there. But there some people lack, because they can't use their own mind. They have to do whatever it is asked. And they can't do beyond that. So that is one of the
And
drawback.
I agree with Parki. Like some of the Indian companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro,
Hmm.
are having very
Wipro.
big position in corporate world. They are playing a good role in growth of India. These companies provide the what we say that dearth of opportunity to grow, and also
Oh,
have
Yeah.
contributed to GDP of India. So yeah, I agree with Parki that in MNC that the person is always bounded towards his work, means whatever his is given to him, he can only do that. He is not having that freedom to give shoot idea or to work on his mind, his topic. And Indian brains are so success in MNCs also. So yeah, Indian brains can also succeed its own companies. So we
Hmm.
should be Atmanirbhar.
According to me, I think that MNCs are way superior than Indian companies. As you know, that MNCs always satisfy the customer need, but in that place, Indian companies always failed to satisfy what the customer actually wants. And
yeah,
even
yeah.
the MNCs are corruption free, and you know the Indian companies
But
corruption.
Vartika, Indian companies have not only provided employment to lots of Indian people, but also have given them chance to show their talent beyond Indian boundaries. Also, like Indian companies also
Yes, like
employees to
if we are,
outside of India.
yes,
They
Neha.
also means it gave them opportunity to develop their business or any that develop their
Matlab,
income or anything to
there would
outside of
be
India
there would
also.
be there would be more development in case of MNCs. If I am working in MNCs, I can get opportunity to even work overseas. So that is a good point in of working in a MNC.
But you know, like Avartika mentioned, like MNCs work over the customers care. Means their services are far much better than Indians. In some cases, I agree with her point. But you know what? Major portion of our intelligence goes for MNC. That's why that is the reason why Indian companies
Hmm.
lag behind. Uh, it's means everybody, you know, if you'll talk to any of the BTech final year student, or you will ask them that what they want to prefer, many of them will prefer MNC over these Indian companies. That is why we lack. Indian companies
Yeah,
lack
because
in
And
GDP.
MNC hires
MNCs
MNC give the job security also. They not only provide
Hmm.
the people that job opportunity, they
and
give them job
MNCs
security, the insurance and everything. And the salary of people working in MNCs are much higher than the people who are working in Indian companies. So yeah, they are slack, but
MNCs yes,
we
yes, I
totally
agree
we
with you,
totally
Neha.
cannot
But like
say,
MNCs,
but we totally cannot say that MNCs are more superior than Indian companies. Yeah, Indian companies has also developed very much, like that Infosys,
Hmm.
TCS, and Wipro, etc. They have just developed too much in India. Also, they are working on their GDP also. So we totally cannot. We can say that the MNCs are superior than Indian companies. Indian companies are, and then yeah, MNCs are little much or some better than Indian companies.
they are better in infrastructure also, and they
Yeah,
hire a brilliant
brilliant
students
students.
only.
Yeah,
Like
brilliant.
Yeah.
in a pool, they will hire only the student who will have all the knowledge. Matlab
Hmm.
they are having better matlab
And
workforce.
if we
Their
talk
workforce
about the
is much better
economy,
than
if
Indian
we talk
companies.
about the economy, MNC also help in boosting the Indian economy by increasing the import and export trades.
But I
But
have a question.
that the Indian company also do. They are
But
also
I feel
increasing
like
the.
it is
Yeah,
multinational
that's why
company.
I'm saying that we cannot totally support the point that MNCs are more superior than Indian company. Indian companies has done so good beyond Indian boundaries also, and in Indian boundaries. We cannot agree this point, but yeah, in somehow we can say that yes, MNCs are more superior than Indian.
I want to ask one question to all of you. Like, as we mentioned, like many of Vartik also, Neha also, Akansha also mentioned that it helps in increasing the GDP. But multinational companies are those companies which are from like other countries and all, like Amazon, one of the greatest example of MNC. So whenever we buy things like when we have a discussion over GDP, so we were saying that whatever thing that GDP means, that price which we people say like that what was that GDP means, does it conclude in our GDP? Because that company is of
Yes,
Amazon
matlab, if there are some products, at least
hmm.
the government will get taxes, collect taxes over there, and
Hmm.
and more export will be there. Matlab, through
Hmm.
these companies, more
Huh.
employment will be given to Indian people. So
Hmm.
it is affecting GDP.
Yeah, and
It will
Like
MNC
affect
have made the path
like
to develop Indian companies also. Like you can see that they have
matlab,
helped all top notch Indian companies
most of the
to
money goes
sharpen their
abroad
business
to
strategies
their
so
huh,
that the means
huh.
it can come like that also. The MNC is doing so much far better. So Indian company will also also build their strategy toward
hmm,
that what to that
yes.
people should attract there. So yeah, it also give that
They
develop
are all
Indian company,
yes,
and if
they are
Indian
also
company will
building
develop, so always it
competition.
will increase the GDP also. So we can say that they help in this.
Yes.
Yeah, just for an idea, like we learn by looking things, so it can be taken as an example and can be implemented over Indian startups and all.
Yeah.
One more question I was having, uh, huh, like I want to know, like we three are of agriculture, right? Neha, can you do you know MNC companies of your branch? Like if
Accenture,
after
Accenture, Cognizant, and yeah, some
sorry.
companies I know, but yeah, I totally don't know that they are MNC or Indian company. I don't know, but yeah, I know the companies of my sector.
Tell the name. I just want to know the names.
Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini.
Tell what they do. What are their specific work? Like Amazon is a it is a store. Like they sell products and all. These companies are of what? Just for GK.
These things I also don't know. I just know that they prefer
Okay, no problem.
they
No
prefer
problem.
Python
Yeah,
language over Java, so
three
I am
companies
learning
you said the
Python.
name.
I only know
What?
this.
What?
I know
What you
this
know?
that these
She
companies
is
prefer
learning Python.
Python over Java, so I am learning Python these days. I only know.
Hmm.
I don't know about
From where you are learning Python? Yesterday we have joined a workshop, Prashal and I.
from Internshala.
They are doing prachar. Their prachar only.
Arey yaar,
Yeah.
these online internships and all, I have got fed up in first means in last lockdown, and these but earlier I used to attend that college that that
Webinars.
webinars and all.
Nice.
This year I have not done. I have got frustrated. Now, okay, no problem. Neha, if you are not knowing, just it's your duty today to look that, okay, and
Okay.
let us know tomorrow.
But
Akanksha and Vartika, you
I
both
am not looking for a job right now.
I know Indian only. Like in irrigation sector, it is Jain irrigation,
My legs.
and in tractor sector, it is Mahindra, Ford, John Deere, and other tractor brands. And in
Nestle
food packaging, Nestle, Amul.
Nestle, Parle, Britannia, are they multinational?
Nestle is a MNC.
I
know
think
that.
Nestle.
Nestle is
Nestle is a yes, Nestle.
Britannia and Parle also, I think. I think so. I'm not confirmed.
Britannia
Pepsi
also.
Cola.
Get into it.
Yeah.
So
The work environment in MNCs is far much better than Indian companies. We may
Yes.
interact with the people all around the world, and all the people are there, talented,
But
young,
Indian
talented
companies
people.
are also giving opportunity to go out from the country.
they are getting.
But the
you know,
opportunities are not that much that is in MNCs.
but the thing is, human tendency is to run that way, means to go that way where they are getting more salary. So in MNC, we will get more salary, so it's we'll go towards that only.
Yes.
Let's see what happens. But yeah, MNC is like every person's first choice is for MNC because it is secure. They're giving like they give food, they give room to live, hotel rooms to live. So that's quite good after job and overseas opportunities. So it's like we should go for that.
My sister was placed in that extra marks for 10 days. She got everything. That taxi also used to come matlab down hotel, and she has got a 5-star hotel. And for 10 days she has done nothing. She has just go there. She has to see the company and all, and she has to sit there. But after 10 days they have taken so much work that after a month she left the job. She came to Dehradun in Tommy
What was the
Hilfiger. Extra marks, Byju's type.
Acha, so what kind of
in
what
computer
kind of-
also, she has to do that counseling also. Do call aata hai. Or she has to give presentation type also, and she has to meet the parents in personal also.
Oh my God.
Extra marks का वो होता है ना, तो मतलब they are taking so much work. It is an Indian company, extra marks. But now she is in a MNC company, that is Tommy Hilfiger in Dehradun. They don't. She goes at 11 and came back 9 or 10 or 11 anytime. But she is not doing that much work, and they are even giving her that intensive incentive and incentive also. And every 1 month they also give that groom up, क्या बोलते हैं, hairs and all things. They
Nice.
even pay for this. That's why MNC is so good. I'm just giving an example.
Yeah, when I used to listen such kind of things, na, I feel like, but yeah, it's good. I also have listened like in Scotch and Mahindra and Mahindra. क्या बोल रही है? I'll conclude and we पता नहीं क्या था. What Sneha is saying. So she was what I was saying. In Mahindra and Mahindra, Scotch and all these companies, they give 5-star hotels to their employees for living. Their food is free. They give they give their travel charges and other grooming charges also. But they give employment so much work, so much work, so much work. I don't know. Means in some cases it's good. Like maximum they give a package of 50,000 per month nearly. Means whom I have. But but the best part is they give traveling charges and living charges. So in that case it is good, but in return they charge a lot of work. So that is a drawback we can say. I don't know what to do. I used to think that why I am doing agriculture many a time. Like when I used to listen such kind of thing as as Akansha is telling about, means it's just by listening the name of the company, Tommy Hilfiger. Yeah, means it's too good.
It sounds so
Company
royal.
favorite. Yeah, and if they tell where do we work, what we will say in tractor company.
You can go in management company also, but you have to do that MBA then.
MBA,
First you
yeah.
have to do the MBA. Yes.
MBA. That's a major means what we call required prerequisite, we can say. Yeah, let's see
But
what
if
happens.
we are doing engineering, we should go into our field like tractor or Nestle
Yes,
company.
I also think so that if we are doing engineering, then we should contribute to this field. Otherwise, we are like other only. The people who are doing
Yeah, I totally agree. Like, I just want to join the food sector instead of going this
in tractor. In
tractor
tractor.
and all.
I
Because
I want to join either that drain that sprinkler or micro irrigation, because it is also very trending nowadays because of water security. And second, food because food will never, competition will never go. Matlab, food will grow and grow.
Yeah,
We will
khana.
eat more and more.
That you are right. But you know, what I was saying, I forgot.
But in tractors, I think I can do nothing. I don't know about
literally,
tractor that.
Yeah, have you seen that status of that Gaurav sir?
Yeah. But some part of me want to join these tractor companies. I don't know why. Though I know nothing about any of the subject, but if I want to choose something, I will choose the tractor one.
If they select me, I will go there. I want to try something new also, but I don't know anything. But I want to try.
But the way I looked him, he was working in that workshop. It was very strange, and my brother. I was saying it to my father. My brother started laughing. He was saying, "Didi, you'll do these things." Oh my god! He was means I was like, yeah, what I have shown. But he was doing work of a mechanic, not an engineer. I don't think means engineer.
Yeah.
Like we have like in a workshop we were having that technicians and all. These people do such work. I think so.
But first engineer should know that, know everything.
Yeah. But यार मेरे से तो एक नट नहीं खुलेगा. प्रॉब्लम तो ये है.
मेरे से कैसे खुलेगा?
Someone can help.
Remember our workshop, that filling workshop? How difficult it was. We were not able to file that.
Yeah, we used to rotate this, और वो खुलता ही नहीं था. Then we used to call our teacher, please do this for us.
So that is what the problem is.
Yeah.
Like in our group, A1, we are 5 girls and we are in the same group. So we have to do only. And only Kanishka was there. She was so strong, like that वो वाला forging वाले में that Hathoda only Kanishka has done it properly. We are doing thub, but it is not happening anything. And Kanishka is
That
doing
was
so
so
good.
irritating. In our group, I, Yogesh, Sugandha, and sometimes Swartika also. And Shreyanshu, we four, five were there. So that forging one was done by Yogesh.
But
He's
in
so
our group,
powerful.
we are 5 girls and we are in the same group. So we have to do it.
In practicals, I have only enjoyed chemistry lab. It was best.
Chemistry
Yeah,
lab was
yes.
so much fun, yaar.
I have broken the test tube also.
and and I have listened that that
That?
teacher has told me a lot.
Yeah,
Me,
I remember.
One day we were in the chemistry lab and I was having so much pain and I was standing there. They don't allow to sit us in chemistry lab. They don't allow.
Yeah.
So I was like, my hand are shaking like this. I was having so much pain. I can't even control it. I was having so much. I was crying.
You really were crying or you were crying inside?
नहीं सच में भी बट आई वाज नॉट लाइक मैं मतलब आवाज नहीं आ रही थी रोने की बस आंसू निकल रहे थे मेरे
Okay.
that I
I miss-
remember incidents
I'm missing practical
Because of
classes a
chemistry
lot.
practicals, because we used to do everything by our own and the teacher used to tell us कि do this and we used to do with our own कि पूछ के कहीं से पूछ के मतलब मजा सा आती थी.
And you
And
know,
there was a
that
competition
is the way.
that who will find out the value first.
And you know that is only a way of learning. Means if a
Yeah.
student tells everything, then everyone copies. Until and unless we are researching or we are not finding out the things, that is not an engineer. Engineer is one who does his work by its own.
Exactly.
Then only we get experience, and we are lacking. I don't know when we'll come
and
back
that
and we'll.
machine
And I never
shop is
enjoyed
also
the
very good. I enjoyed that
principle of
machine
soil
shop.
science. We never मतलब teacher
Same.
don't even know क्या होता था उसमें principle of soil science.
It
I
was
don't know
like
what
a
we
I
used.
don't know.
Yeah,
I used to sit in at the last and we वो क्या कहते हैं गीतांजलि and I used to just see the our side आगे वाले क्या बोलेंगे
but yeah, in news
And
it was
what was
coming
our
that
other practical subjects? याद ही नहीं आ रहे.
material,
workshop chemistry
so
and
strength of material.
yes
Vinita Devi. That was also good. Means only one time. I think one time also. She doesn't used to explain one time also. She used to just come and that sir helps
Even
us.
yeah, that's sir.
But
Even
that was
it was
also
wrong
good.
many times, but वो हम करते थे वो beam one experiment that was too much fun. वो calculate करते थे and वो भी तो था वो कुछ क्या करते थे वो light क्या था मैं भूल गई जो अंदर वाले रूम में करते थे हम क्या था
Parallelogram
हाँ
one.
हाँ parallelogram one वो कुछ ऐसे
हाँ.
करके आती थी yeah.
That was nice. Means though it was hectic.
practicals
but-
are good
We have
practicals are
done
good
that also. We have went to one fluid mechanics lab also, but I don't remember
that
what we have done
that
there.
board that
we have
boat
only
one
had one or two
that boat
practicals.
one we have done that meta center wala that boat
हाँ,
उसके
boat
अंदर
one,
थी
boat one. Yeah.
Boat
We have
one.
also done. We
I
have
have done
missed
some
all of them.
कुछ वेंचुरी मीट पता नहीं क्या था remember.
Century meters and that boat
हाँ.
one.
Yeah,
the
वो
thing
भी
is-
ED एक ED था and
ED
other
was best.
we don't even know how to work with a drafter. ये बोलते थे what is a drafter?
yes drafter yes I've not
Yeah,
even taken it once I've not taken it once only she should have told us earlier that it is of no use
And it was of
It is
250 or
not
I don't know,
she
200.
just told us how to use. She don't even tell us कि how to use this वो roll and draw क्या होता था? Roll and draw
Roll and draw.
and how to
हाँ.
make.
Roll and draw.
We search for YouTube, giving इतनी सारी fees and search open our mobile phone class and solve the drawing one.
And that, you know, ED was means if that ma'am would have taught us properly, na, the subject was too easy and so good.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
you remember that
Sapna.
video? One day before
I
exam.
have. That is the only. अच्छा नहीं को लगता.
रट्टा
Was that the time
मार
when you fought with Sunil and all?
रट्टा मार ED का
We
एग्जाम ही
upload.
था. I think ED exam is only there.
ED था. हम we can upload it on our YouTube channel.
Which video? Which video?
Ratta maar.
We were
Which-
sitting
अच्छा,
like this
oh,
and
you
we are
want-
doing रट्टा मार.
I remember that you, Seema, I wasn't with you. I thought you were talking about that Astha ma'am video. Astha ma'am की जो शादी की video थी. You know?
YouTube पे, yeah, it was on YouTube.
And I think
yeah,
that
YouTube.
was the only day when you fought with Sunilva and all. मतलब you guys had a fight. I think that was the same day.
I don't know.
Whatever.
I didn't remember. Yeah, I had a fight with him, but I didn't remember when.
Then Akanksha, Gitanjali, K2 and Gaurav were मतलब बड़े खुश थे. They were talking about how bad Astha ma'am is. Then I sent a video of Astha ma'am. Then everybody was replying, makeup भी लगा रखा है. Everybody used to make fun of ma'am.
Yeah.
मुझे
She
याद
used to
नहीं,
come
I
to
don't
class.
know.
You can see that. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, the thing is,
She's just using her phone, nothing else.
yeah,
But
always.
even though whatever practical classes are very good.
Yeah, though we don't learn much, but we have lot of we people have lot of experience. Like
Yeah.
experience plus memory. That was the best thing. And I've enjoyed some of the classes of Kanchan sir also. Like
Yeah,
you
Khanchan
remember
was the best, like best teacher.
Yes.
yeah.
He used to
And-
tell us everything in a very nice and practical way.
In
ऐसा हो रहा है.
that yes, in the lab class of that entrepreneurship, he asked Vartika that tractor के टायर एक जितने होते हैं या अलग अलग. तो वर्तिका वो उठी गीतांजलि नहीं सॉरी गीतांजलि मेरे मुंह से निकल गया. He asked Gitanjali, then Gitanjali said, "Sir, I don't know." Then sir said, "Which engineering are you doing? You don't know even that? Tractors small होते हैं और पीछे वाले बड़े होते हैं. It's okay, चलो बैठ जाओ." And then he asked me,
you know, but he was nice. Like he used to tell everything regarding that. Apart from his subject, he used to give lot of knowledge about the means. he
Yeah,
used to tell
social
the reality.
values, moral values.
Yeah.
How to present a meeting, how to talk in a front of 100 people.
वर्तिका पेन
he-
चबाती थी ना.
हाँ.
Me and Yash.
Pen and her teeth, her nails. Yeah. Stand up, come here. I'll make you stand here, and I'll ask you to eat your pen in front of whole class. Come,
Whole class.
Vartika.
He called Yash also. Yash was standing there because he also used to chew pen. उसे वहाँ खड़ा कर दिया था आगे को देख के.
And you remember that
How we learned.
chemistry sir.
The worst teacher was that Balian sir, environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry. He used to just teach the boys only. His movie is always toward boys. ऐसे हम चाहे कुछ भी करें. He is not even having any.
According to me, yeah, he was okay, nothing. He was so means.
Okay, yeah. Average teacher.
Yes. Why we are doing back bitching here?
We don't post this video.
We are just giving reason that कि MNCs हमें क्यों नहीं ले जाएगी because of our teachers.
This is the reason why MNC will not take us. It is the reason. Yeah, I understood.
I think but Indian
advisor is
companies.
best. if we would have studied that fluid mechanics in in college, we
Yeah.
would be knowing so much
In
things.
fact, the notes he had provided, na, that was too good. It was self-prepared.
That
He has prepared of his own.
Yeah.
Like other teachers were
he has
copying
taught
things.
that manometer question also
Yeah.
very good.
I also मुझे अभी तक पता है नैनोमीटर को इक्वेशन वो वहां पढ़ाई थी.
Yeah. But
Good effort.
when will this college open? You know,
we
there
would
are
have
some-
enjoyed that sprinkler practical also, but it
you know, many of the
was
yeah, that promoter was too good. He was he is so innocent also. Cute say.
I don't know.
And you know, in some of the colleges, many of the colleges of agriculture, many of the
Say.
colleges are open, like for medicals. My
Yeah,
friends are in
medical
college. Many of the
Medical
colleges are
college.
open.
that also in previous
And
meeting.
final year has been
they
called.
have opened in June only.
And many of the BTech colleges are open for final year.
Oh.
Why not ours? I don't know
Up
what
to
is
the
going on.
college
we will
open
we will
after,
not discuss
then we
this.
will be fourth or yeah, then there is no need. मतलब then we go for
हाँ.
internship and training.
Yeah.
Like first, second, third year are the most important. First, second.
Right. Let's see when it happens. Just make sure after when Neha is left now, after that the video should not be posted. Otherwise, the team will call three of us. You three guys doing that thing on
That
YouTube.
Arushi's one video you are discussing about that. ये post मत करना जहाँ से वर्तिका चलेगी वहाँ से काट देना and everything is posted. No problem. No one will watch
No,
this much long.
Dean will not watch.
Yeah.
But you know,
She is busy. She is busy in recording her songs only.
Our ma'am has
studio?
start the song in a
हाँ,
live. क्या था?
in a studio. In a studio.
हाँ,
हाँ.
What was that song? Please tell me. वो अजीब सा हो जाएगा. वो
I don't know.
I seen a DP. She was singing a song. I don't know which song. Has she posted any video?
few months back somebody posted on their status.
Someone like Gunjan has put that on status that Dean on fire and ऐसे. I've listened from there.
जो ना समझा वो अनाड़ी है ऐसा कुछ गाना था.
Yes,
मतलब बहुत
yes.
गाना आया था यार.
हाँ,
I
बहुत
was
अच्छा.
heard that song for a long time. जो ना समझा ऐसे मतलब बिल्कुल
नाड़ी है.
है यार.
Nice.
Let's post this on our YouTube channel.
We will get so much
Then-
views.
Yeah.
Then we will get that posted in MNC. Fire. He will give us.
यार
Yeah.
Let's
You
go.
know,
that Manisha
हाँ.
and लोग
Let's
are
conclude.
कहते हैं
Yeah,
practice. मतलब
I
they are
am- I am-
enjoying. They are
Yeah,
I am
doing real
feeling
time.
very bad.
I'm
Yeah,
getting
अब
jealous.
experiment कर रहे हैं टेस्ट ट्यूब केमिकल्स मतलब बायोकेमिस्ट्री में जो भी पढ़ते होंगे. It would be very nice if we were also going for an internship or training.
Yeah, I am. Whenever I used to look their status, now I
Yeah.
feel bad. Deep
Yeah.
inside my heart used to cry. Like, why it's happening with
why?
us?
Yes. Yes.
And
I
then
also.
enjoying about they're going to parks and all, making videos, having fun. We don't want to go parks. We don't want to go anywhere else. Just college will enjoy there only.